In this video, I'll show you how to share your LinkedIn profile on WhatsApp. If you want to send your LinkedIn profile to someone on WhatsApp, the easiest way is to copy or share your public LinkedIn profile URL. LinkedIn says that if your profile is set to public, it will have a shareable link that usually starts with www.linkedin.com/in/. On the LinkedIn mobile app, open LinkedIn and tap your profile picture, then tap View Profile. Scroll to the contact section, tap your profile, and then tap Share via. LinkedIn says this lets you share your profile either through the LinkedIn app itself or through another messaging app on your device, which includes apps like WhatsApp if it's installed on your phone. So once the share sheet opens, choose WhatsApp. After that, select the person or group you want to send it to and send the message. This is the fastest method because LinkedIn hands the profile link directly to your phone's sharing options. That means you do not need to manually copy and paste the link if the share option appears on your device. If you don't see WhatsApp in the share menu, you can do it manually. On LinkedIn, go to your profile and find your public profile URL in your profile or contact info area. LinkedIn says your public profile URL is displayed on your profile page, and tapping your profile URL can also take you to the public profile settings page. Then copy that link. Next, open WhatsApp and go into the chat where you want to share your LinkedIn profile. WhatsApp's help page says you can copy the link, open an individual or group chat, paste the link in the message box, and tap Send. That will send your LinkedIn profile just like any other link. Now here's one important thing to remember. LinkedIn says your public profile is a simplified version of your full profile, and not all profile sections are visible publicly. So if you're sharing your LinkedIn link with someone outside your network, they may only see the parts of your profile that are allowed in your public profile settings. This is why it can be a good idea to quickly review your public profile before sharing it. Make sure your photo, headline, location, and the main details you want people to see are visible and up to date. That way, when someone opens the link in WhatsApp, your profile looks clean and professional. This is an inference based on LinkedIn's public profile controls and what LinkedIn says is visible publicly. So again, to share your LinkedIn profile on WhatsApp, open your LinkedIn profile. Use Share via. If it's available, choose WhatsApp or copy your public profile URL and paste it into a WhatsApp chat manually. Both methods work, and the best one depends on the options shown on your phone. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.